welcome to my channel. I am MrsPTarleton. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to make a Google form for attendance header. This is going to be a great place where you can post reminders, agendas, or even inspirational messages for your students. It's great because you know your students are checking there because that's where they're logging in for their attendance. So today I'm going to show you how to create the inspirational message that I'm going to post on my Google form header for my attendance. Let's dive in. So here I am in Google Slides. Because this is going to be a Google form header, the first thing you want to do is go to File, Page Setup, choose Custom, and we need to set this to pixels. This needs to be 1600 by 400 pixels. That's the size of your Google form header. I'm going to be creating an inspirational message for my Google form header, so I can clear that out. I'm going to go to Background. I'm going to choose an image. I'm going to go ahead and go with Google's images. So I have the backdrop. The message that I want to share with them is be the aloha that you want to see in the world. I'm going to insert word art. And because I want to change the font on each of these, I'm going to do each word individually. Because I'm using the word the again, I'm just going to Control D once it's highlighted, and that will duplicate the, and I don't have to type it again. Just going through and adjusting the letters and rearranging them. You can change the colors if you would like. So once you have your letters all set out, you've changed the font, you've done whatever you want on here, you can also change the color by going up here. You can change the outline here. If you wanted to thicken the outline, you can do that as well. Really makes it stand out. You want to change the outline to be a dashed line, you can do that too. Dotted, you have these options. I really like the way it turned out. So once you have the design the way you want, whether this is your agenda or if it's your starter for the day, what you want them to do next, or some kind of reminder, you want to go here, File, Download, and you want to download it as a PNG. Once it downloads, you want to go to your Google form for attendance. Go right here to this color palette. Go to Choose Image. They do have options for you to choose here, but because we're doing custom, go to Uploads. Know what's in my downloads. And there you have this header for your Google form. So now when your students log in to do their Google form for attendance, they're going to see this beautiful message. It could be your reminder, it could be your agenda, whatever it is that you want them to see. So let's go ahead, go right here, and I'll show you. This is the student's view when they log in. This is what they're going to see when they log in to take attendance. What message are you going to give for your students in this Google form attendance header? Let me know in the comments. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing so that you'll be notified each week when I upload new tech videos to help you in the classroom. And in the meantime, go ahead and check these videos out. I'll see you next week.